Further improvements to Russian society included the institution of a legal reform and proper administration. The source of these changes was the Statute of 1775. This statute called for a network of law courts to be established, which included the central civil and criminal courts in the provincial capital that branched into the upper, district, and lower land courts for the nobles, the upper and district court for townspeople, and the higher and lower summary courts for the peasants. To any of these courts, the appropriate social estate had the right to elect assessors to advise the judge. Further, a court of conscience was built in each province to deal with cases of witchcraft, sexual offenses, lunacy, minors, more than one social class, and appeals to be freed on bail. The Board of Social Welfare was created to set up schools at the provincial and district level, hospitals, almhouses, workhouses, and houses of correction. The Police Ordinance of 1782 produced several civil servants responsible for maintaining order and other functions such as public hygiene, inspection of public baths, street lighting, firefighting, control of foodstuffs, and control of the labor market. Provisions in the statute also dealt with medical services, leading to the creation of inoculation hospitals, the establishment of the first college of medicine, and making the presence of a hospital in each province a necessity.